Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings from Shannon Rollings Real Estate. Spring cleaning is something some people absolutely love, and for others, it's just something we simply endure. Tidying up your home can make all the difference. It can increase the value of your home and also make a great first impression for potential home buyers. The first thing you want to do is look at the front of your house. As a buyer pulls up, what kind of curb appeal do you have? Overgrown bushes, mold and mildew on the house, that's not going to make a good first impression, so get it cleaned up. Otherwise, the buyer may not even go inside the house. The next thing, when they come in the house, they're going to go to the kitchen and open the cabinets and the drawers, and if you have a bunch of junk drawers or a lot of stuff shoved in your cabinets, that's not going to make a good impression either, and they may think you're not maintaining the home well. Your closets, that as well. Get rid of anything you're not wearing or using, and go ahead and pack up last season's clothes. It'll make it easier when it comes time to move. And your carpets, if you have odors or spots, get them steam cleaned. That can make a really bad first impression for buyers, so take care of that. Your garage, if your garage is like mine and I've got stuff in there with cobwebs growing on it because I haven't used it in a while, go ahead and get rid of that stuff. It'll make your garage look neater, plus it'll be a great place for you to be putting boxes as you're preparing to move. And last, it might make sense to invest a little bit of money in your backyard and your back patio to freshen it up with some new cushions, chairs, table, or a rug. For other information about buying or selling, or information about my guaranteed cash offer program if you're thinking about selling, visit my website at shannonr.com and click on the video library link. And thanks for watching.